Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a professional account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at your profile picture, then hit Add menu icon, select Settings, and then tap Add account. Now you should scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find the Switch to Professional Account option. Just tap on that. Then hit continue all the time until you get to that page that says what best describes you. You can scroll down or up and find one of that suggested that best describes you. I'm just gonna select blogger, and then also you have to choose if you want to display that information on your profile. You can enable or disable display on profile feature, and then just hit Add Done. Now you need to select whether you are a creator or business. If you got some real business, you might select business, but as far as I'm just a creator, I can just select creator and then hit on next. I have just switched my account to a professional account on Instagram. You can identify it by that blogger status right here. And also I got this professional dashboard. I can tap on that to use all that professional features which are only available for a professional account. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.